Good day and welcome to today's tutorial on Milky cookies. This cookies is budget friendly and also crunchy and delicious. Trust me, if you're a lover of good cookies, then you wouldn't want to miss this. For this recipe, we'll be using 1 egg, followed by a half cup of sugar. So we'll mix that together before we add the next ingredients. After properly combining that, we add a quarter cup of milk and also quarter cup of vegetable oil. Then we combine that two together. The next thing to add is your flavor. Use any flavor of your choice. Just added 1 cup of vanilla flavor. It's now time to add in our flour. I used 2.5 cup of flour for this, so I'll be adding the flour gradually as I am mixing. I forgot to say I added quarter teaspoon of salt to the flour. So I'm done mixing and your cookie dough should look something like this. Next is to sprinkle your working surface with flour and spread the dough before cutting. So I'm using this cookies cutter to make it more attractive. So I've gone ahead to grease my pan and added baking paper before arranging the cookies. So this is it after baking, looking sweet and beautiful. Please, if you like this video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.